code ghost. Does anyone here know Morse code? Redditor Sober Sweet Potato shares this video captured on security camera at around 1 a.m. at their boss's office in downtown Manhattan. To top it off, the restaurant they work in is very old with a rich history and with plenty of paranormal happenings to suggest that this code may be coming from the beyond. Some in the comments think it's an intruder, others a ghost, but the Redditor isn't taking any chances. Suggest it's signing red rum. It does look like the camera light might simply be readjusting abnormally to me, but I'd prefer if this was an SOS from the ghost that haunts the basement.